Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You want buyers to enter custom details before they check out. You need to turn on personalization in your listing. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually turn on personalization on Etsy in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go all the way to open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet to go and look for Etsy.com or this page basically. Then we're gonna tap on Etsy, go all the way here to log in to your account or to your store. Then come here to the shop manager, tap on it, then go look for listings, edit the listing you want, then scroll down to the section where you can personalize basically everything we want. Then toggle it on, add clear buyer instructions. Tell the buyer what they can type there, for example, the size, the color, a custom code, a custom script, whatsoever. You can also set a maximum character limits if you want to, then save your changes. As for an important note, if you don't enable basically personalization, buyers can't enter custom details at the checkout. As for an additional pro tip, test your listing preview to make sure basically the option and the personalization box appears correctly. And that's the whole idea here, since we want buyers to be able to tap multiple characters to describe what they want on their exact product. They may basically want a specific name, a specific color, size, whatsoever, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.